Prager channel. 612, Skip Junkie, West Coast to Canada, waving.
Waving to you there, Skip Junkie 612, Bayou Boy right back.
Hey, Bayou Boy, we got the gate rolling. We got you on the video gate right now. You'll be on my YouTube channel. You're sounding good. Blowing smoke with the maul down. Skip Junkie, waving.
Where you coming from there, Skip Junkie?
I'm out here on the far west coast of Canada, out here in the southern Gulf Islands.
Look right here, let me see if I can help you out a little more better. Let me get up in Canada a little more better for you. Hello, that ought to be a little bit better. Come on in, Skip Junkie, Bayou Boy right back.
Hey, Bayou Boy, you got the maul down. I have no problem copying you at all. We got a room fully here, buddy. You're sounding good, blowing smoke. 612, West Coast of Canada, reading the mail and waving.
Ain't no doubt on that West Coast of Canada, man. Large and in charge down here in the Bayou country, guarantee told you.
You sound good, brother. You sound good. I'm only pushing about 40 watts out of this RCI with an Antron 99 and a D104, Roger.
Yeah, that right there, that's a couple of bushels, probably about 2 bushels right there. Yep, about 2 bushels swinging pretty hard there, Roger.
Sounds awesome. I got you on the video gate. I'll put you on my YouTube channel, man. Check out my video gates. Jungle Joe C. Jungle Joe C video gates.
Roger's on that, man. Roger's on that. We're going to scope it out there, Roger.
Yep, I'm on YouTube, buddy. I'm on YouTube, and we'll get this video gate on there for you tonight.
Yeah, man, there's a lot of people do all that YouTubing, man. Shoot, I've never put a video on YouTube, but man, they got so many people have put them on there, and they put my name. How they put it? BYU BOY. And bro, look, they got so many videos on there. Good lord, it's crazy.
I got thousands on my channel, dude. I got thousands of videos. I got 3 YouTube channels, and my Video Gate channel's got a lot of hits on it. It's got about 7.25 million hits, so you're going to be on there, buddy. You're sounding good, man.
Ain't no doubt, man. You too, bud. I have one of those little recorder deals that you hook up in the radio, and I've been supposed to get one of my partners to put it in there for me. They just have the little buttons on the side of it so I can record somebody and play them back. Just to let it hear, cause man, like right now you push like only 6 pounds, but dude, if I didn't look at the S units, I'd swear it'd be 30. It's loud.
I tell you what, you're lighting up all the bars on this 2970 DX RCI. What's your number out there? What's your call number?
I go by 202 in the Bayou. This is Bayou Boy down here, Louisiana, Roger.
Perfect, man. I talked to Louisiana a lot. I did a live stream video gate yesterday, and I got 356 in the BYU. He always hops into my live stream. So, yeah, Bayou Boy, we got you, man. That's good. That's what I'll title it. Sounding good, brother. Thanks for the comeback.
Right there, Skip Shooter, we gonna holler, man. Bayou Boy down here, Louisiana. We easing back.
Take care, Bayou Boy. Have a good one out there. Happy DX and 612. Skip Monkey, West Coast of Canada. Skip Junkie, Skip Junkie on the side.
Right there, 612, Skip Junkie, Bayou Boy, Louisiana, rockin' holler.
Cheers to you, mate. Wow, loud sounding station. Only one in there, too.